So basically everything is in green today, beside Cardano, of course. So I know you guys are like, hey man, what's happening? Why are we not in green? So that's what we are gonna look at today. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video, and Cardano today. Why not? Let's just get into the chart and start talking about what's actually happening. Okay, so basically, for you guys who have been following my videos, you know why we have this area here between 131 and 115, and this area down here, that's the panic area. So we will get down there, you know, this is where we panic. If you want to learn more about why this area over here is a panic area, you can watch the other video from yesterday, I think, when should we panic, and that's down here basically. So right now we are doing actually what we are supposed to be doing, what I've been doing, that we should be going into this in this range, zigzag, and build up some kind of force before we actually break out of it at above 131. So the first time we actually broke above 131, it was kind of surprising to me because we still didn't get the bullish MACD cross and stuff, so we went back down again, and we are holding this very nice support. I'm gonna show you the support. Let me just clean some lines so this can be a little bit clearer. Yeah, video from 2 days or 3 days ago, you know, when we were dropping here, everybody was panicking. We drew this very nice beautiful line over here that was holding as support both here and here. So now it went down, held the support, went up again, and tried to again for the second time to break this 131 line, went back to the support, and now we are sitting on support. And you know what they say, the more time you test the support, the likelihood for its breaking it's pretty high. So that can happen, the support can actually break and we can actually go down, so keep that in mind. But right now the bullishness is there since everything is green and everything is going up. Let's see just a little bit on MACD, what's happening with MACD on the daily, and that's this indicator down here. And as you can see, we did get right now the bullish cross over here. So I think we need to still one day to stay above this level, whatever this level is, 126 now, around there, to not lose this bullish cross, because it can be lost, things can change, right? But to keep bullish, we have to keep this bullish cross. But that's what I was waiting for. I was waiting for this bullish cross before we can exit this 131 area up here, and that's why I'm kind of bullish right now that we can actually exit. But there is some kind of problems we haven't, and I'm gonna tell you where the problems lie. Now let's zoom into the 4-hourly chart and I explain you what's happening here. So you can see here that we once broke the 131 level, this top line over here, and just went back down it, right? And then this is the second test on the breakout, trying to break it out, and we went back in. So that's 2 times we failed to break it. You can, it depends on how you look at it. You can both look at that as a bullish thing or as a bearish thing, but right now, because of the RSI divergence, and I'm gonna show you the divergence, this actually looks like it can break on the downside. It can break on downside. How far on downside, I'm not quite sure, but it can. But it also can break on the upside, because, you know, if it tries 2 times to break something, it's probably gonna try again to break on the upside. So right now there is some kind of triangle here going on, and that's the ascending triangle. So price is being played into this over here, and something is going to happen here either on the downside or the upside, and we have to follow what's actually going to happen. So the thing why it can go on the downside is that we got this RSI divergence. I'm going to show you, and that's this indicator up here, and as you can see here, let me just maybe we should use the line chart for that. Yeah, line chart is not, you can see it easily. So you can see here the price moved up, right, and the RSI indicator moved down. That's the RSI divergence. So I wasn't talking about RSI divergence up here because it wasn't confirmed, but now it's pretty much confirmed, and we went down with it. Now the question is, are we gonna go further down with the RSI or not? So that all depends. But there's RSI divergence, you have to know that, and if the RSI divergence is played out or not, that's not quite clear yet, but you know, we have to just wait and see. So because of that, this can actually move further down. How much down it can move? Like 115, that's where you should start. If it goes below 115 out of this yellow area, that's when you should probably start panicking, like all normal, not panicking, but like get worrying. The panic area is this the area down here. If you want to watch the other video, that's between if it falls below 105 and all the way down to if it falls below 0.83, that's like full-blown panic. But this is the panic area, but we are not even close there. We are up here, so and nothing is actually yet confirmed. So where is this gonna go? It's gonna go on the upside, on the downside. You can also look at this as some kind of triangle over here, but it just doesn't look like a triangle. Basically, we got a support line that we got to hold, and it's right hitting it. So the thing I think it's actually gonna happen, and what we are actually waiting for to break the one, because I think this is gonna go up. I'm not quite sure if it's gonna go up in the short term right now or over here, or if it's gonna break on the downside and then go up. How long, much down it's gonna go, that depends, but I'm not quite sure where it's gonna go. But what I think is gonna happen, and we're gonna break 131. I'm pretty sure we're gonna break it. Pretty sure, but like not the financial advice, my opinion only, you know, kind of shebang. Like it can go both up and down, and I'm telling you, this is the panic area, so you know whether you should panic. Below 150 you should get worried. But if you look at the moving averages, and you're gonna see first that the red line over here, we are getting support on the 20 moving average on the daily, and that's very nice. And that's very important, getting the support on the moving average. Also, I like that this line, I don't know if you can see it clearly, but it kind of starts going down. It's going down, and when the line is going down, then it's very difficult for the price to break, or not it's not usual for price to break the moving averages in the same direction the moving averages moves. Usually it breaks it in the opposite direction. You can see here the moving average was going up, the price was going down, and then it broke it, right? If it goes down, then it breaks it on the upside and stuff like that. Here it went up and it broke it on the upside, so it can happen, but it's not that usual. Usually the way moving averages are broken is that moving average is going in the opposite direction of the price. Now there's a 10 moving average that's going in opposite direction of the price if this price starts falling down, but the bullish things comes that we are crossing 10 and 20 moving average. The 10 moving average is continuing going up. So what I'm thinking is gonna happen, that the price might actually break the support line that we have drawn, this beautiful support line over here, hit the 10 moving average either on the wick or something like that, and then move out of the 131 line. Because I think next time we get above 131 and close above 131, I think that's gonna beat, and that then all these crazy price target like $2, $3, $10, $100 and stuff like that all these other YouTubers are making, probably likelihood for that coming true is big. But right now what we have to do is get above the 131 and close above 131. Let's just look at what's happening on the weekly, and I'm gonna show on the weekly also, very important, because I just made a BitTorrent video, and I said in that video that the cryptocurrencies work on the weekly scale. So if you want to make money, you gotta watch the weekly time frames, and because that's where money lies. So what you wanna do ultimately, like to be 100% sure that this is gonna go up, it's not 100% sure, but it's like 80%, 70% sure. You want this candle, today is Friday, something like that, you want this candle to close above 131. If this happens, you can see it's going a little bit up now. If this candle, this full body closes about 131 up here somewhere like that, then the next week is gonna be magnificent. On the other hand, if we don't do that, then the next week can only go like just a little bit above it before we go. So what I want to see is, I want to see this candle above this level over here, closing above 131, before I get super bullish on Cardano. I'm not quite there yet. I think we're still some kind of trading sideways range. We still got like 1-2 days more left to get past 131. It's not that high up, but if we do that, it's gonna be party on Monday. Anyways, now it's your turn to subscribe to the channel if you liked the video, and hit the like button, post down in the comments for YouTube algorithm and stuff like that. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. I hope you're doing well, because we are down -2% while everything else is in green. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.